Student, welcome back to our channel NEET Mantra. I am Prince Sharma, your biology faculty and mentor. So with this video we extend our 50-day quick revision series. If you missed our previous videos, link is in the description, and for more videos like this please do subscribe to our channel. So in this video we are going to discuss most important point for NEET from the topic cockroach. So let's start. Cockroach are insect of order Ballatodia, and the most common one is Periplaneta americana. It is commonly known as American cockroach and it is present all over the world. So first we look at morphology. Cockroach body is divided into head, thorax and abdomen, and they have a chitinous exoskeleton. Next we see digestion. Their digestive system is divided into foregut, midgut and hindgut. A sac-like structure called crop is used for storing food. Gizzard help in grinding the food. This is very important point, you must remember this. 6 highly chitinous placed called teeth are present in it. A ring of 6 to 8 tubules called hepatic or gastric caecae is present at the junction of foregut and midgut. You must remember this, they are present at the junction of foregut and midgut and they secrete digestive juice. Next we have circulation. Circulation is open type. Blood vessels are poorly developed and open into space, which is known as hemocoel. You must remember this. Visceral organ located in hemocoel are bathed in blood and their blood is known as hemolymph. Next we have respiration. The respiratory system consists of a network of trachea that open through 10 pair of small holes called spiracles present on the lateral side of the body. Next we have excretion. Excretion is performed by Malpighian tubule. Each tubule is lined by glandular and ciliated cell. They are uricotelic in nature, and fat body nephrocytes and uricose gland also help in excretion. Next we look at nervous coordination or nervous system. It consists of a series of fused segmented arranged ganglia, 3 ganglia in the thorax and 6 in the abdomen. So even if you cut the head of cockroach, it will live for a week due to presence of ganglia in thorax and abdomen. In head region, supraesophageal ganglion represent the brain, you must remember this, which supply nerve to antenna and compound eyes. Each compound eyes consists of 2000 hexagonal ommatidia. This is an important point. Mosaic vision is present, which means with the help of several ommatidia receive several images of an object. So they get multiple image of a single object. That make them more sensitive, but the resolution is less. Look at reproduction. They are dioecious in nature and both sexes have a well developed reproductive organ. In male, a pair of testes lying on each lateral side in between the 4th and 6th abdominal segment. A characteristic mushroom shaped gland, you must remember this, is present in the 6th and 7th abdominal segment, which function as accessory reproductive gland. External genitalia is represented by male gonophysis or phallomere. You must remember this term, phallomere. Next we look at female reproductive system. In female, 2 large ovaries lying laterally in between the 2nd and 6th abdominal segment. Each ovary is formed of a group of 8 ovarian tubules or ovarioles. You must remember this, each ovary is made up of group of 8 ovarian tubules or ovarioles. Oviduct of each ovary unite into a single median oviduct, also called vagina, which opens into genital chamber. A pair of spermatheca is present in 6th segment, which open into genital chamber. तो आपको ये जो नंबरिंग है सेगमेंट्स की ये जरूर याद रखनी है क्योंकि इससे क्वेश्चन आ सकता है. Sperm are transferred through spermatophore. Spermatophore are when sperm are glued together to form bundles discharged during copulation. The fertilized egg are encased in capsule called ootheca. On an average, a female produces 9 to 10 ootheca and each containing 14 to 16 eggs. The development of Periplanta americana is porometabolous, which means their development is through nymphial stage. The nymph grows by molting about 13 times to reach adult form. The next to last nymphial stage has wing pads, but only adult cockroach have wings. You must remember this point. It is a very important point. It asked in previous year examination. Now we look at some direct point from the topic cockroach. In male cockroach, sperm are stored in seminal vesicle part of the reproductive system. So it is a single point. You must remember this point like this. Exoskeleton is composed of N-acetyl glucosamine. N-acetyl glucosamine is a amide derivative of monosaccharide glucose. It is secondary amide between glucosamine and acetic acid. Schizosylome as body cavity. Schizosylome is a body cavity which arises from mesodermal split. This body cavity is formed from blocks of mesoderm around the gut that enlarge and hollow out. And cleavage is superficial. The body cell in cockroach discharge their nitrogen waste in the hemolymph, mainly in the form of potassium urate. It is also an important point. All these points are very important. You must remember all these points. The terga, sterna and pleura of cockroach body are joined by arthrodial membrane. Males have paired anal style on 9th abdominal sternite which are absent in female. तो एनल स्टाइल्स को कोर्डियल स्टाइल्स भी बोला जाता है और इसी की मदद से आप मेल और फीमेल में डिस्टिंक्शन बता सकते हो. सो विद द हेल्प ऑफ एनल स्टाइल यू विल डिफरेंशिएट बिटवीन मेल एंड फीमेल. Mouth part of cockroach contain two mandibles which bear teeth. When both the mandibles work simultaneously in a horizontal plane, the food matter is cut and masticated into fine and smaller pieces. तो आपको ये बात याद रखना है कि जो ये मैंडिबल है और गिजर्ड है दोनों क्या है, हेल्प करते हैं फूड की कटिंग और मैस्टिकेशन में, क्योंकि दोनों में ही टीथ प्रेजेंट होते हैं. इन कॉकरोच 10 pair of spiracles is present. 2 are on thorax and 8 are on abdomen. So all these points which are discussed in last two slides, you must remember them as it is. So if you like our videos, please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.